thank you, sir. Next to get the tickets punched out, remember this train will soon be taking off. Taking off? I hope it doesn't go too fast, or else it'll hurt my tum-tum. Dad, don't embarrass me. We're in public. Sorry, Cece. Excuse me. We'd like to get off. Oh yes, tickets please. Why do you need all tickets when you're getting off? Just to make sure that this is your exact location. Can't we make sure of that? Sorry, but this train also must be verified. It says that you want to go to Spain. Yeah, and we're here in Spain. No, this is Ocaboco. What's Ocaboco? I don't know. Exactly, it don't make no sense. Come on, father, show him everything else. Look, it even says here, train leaves from Spain tonight. We're in Spain. Oh. Well, have a good day. Oh, and use your train tickets if you ever ride with us again. Whatever. Let's get out of here. Next. Hi, sir. I would like you to punch in my ticket. I'm heading to Ocaboco. We're in Ocaboco! No, it says the train is leaving from Spain and it's going to Ocaboco. And I need to head to Ocaboco so I can go see a tree biscuit. Wait a minute. You're PZB? Yeah, that's me. Just kidding. I'm Double G and I need a tree biscuit. I'm his grandfather. Was born from my son Trip. Just kidding. It's me, PZB. All right. Here's my ticket. Now take me to Ocaboco. Wait, where's your assistant, Bunny? Oh, he's going with his crush, Honey. So, what do you want to do at Ocaboco? Oh, I don't know. Stop. You know, my worker PZ, the person I work for, PZB, he's big in music. I know, which is why I thought I'm at the Platinum Music Awards. Now, please, can I rest? Oh, sorry. It's okay, Bunny. Now punch in my ticket! Oh, yes, sir. There you go. Does PCB like getting slapped by Ticket Man? No. Then why did you just slap me? It's not my fault. I'm so sorry. Ugh. Awful train business. Sir, that seat is reserved. I need to get the conductor. Yes. How may I help you? Come with me. This seat is very wobbly. I hate it. I'll get used to it. This guy, he's sitting in a seat reserved for someone that's supposed to get on this train tomorrow. So they're going to get on the train tomorrow. They're traveling from Ocaboco. They're getting on this train tomorrow. This train leaves tomorrow night. So, does PZB like having his paws massaged? Well, I don't even know who you are. I'm PZB! Well then, why'd you say doesn't PZB? I thought you were meaning like that. I don't get how it's Cool Town! No, does PZB like having his paws massaged? Well, I never heard of you, but I guess so. I mean, and it's hard to have my paws nice and soft. And when there's nothing to make my paws nice and soft, and there's no seat that's soft or reserved for PZB. There was supposed to be a seat reserved for you, when we came back here next week. Well, I couldn't wait. And besides, it is next week. I've been waiting a whole 2 weeks for this trip. Sir, maybe you got on the wrong train. I'm PCB, and PCB is never wrong. Do chickens lay eggs? No, they do not. Actually, sir, they... Exactly! Actually, sir, I am wrong. Just I will admit it now to you. Now go, Pat. Now go conduct this thing while my paws are softened. And you go do some chicken nerdy business. Dang, PCB hate this train. PCB might sue it. Sir, you need to calm down. You've got some bad issues. PCB's on the train, oh my god! Oh, I love you so much! That's PCB! Like relaxing! This PCB was PCB in the Platinum Music Awards! Yeah? That's why he's so big and that's why... Does PCB have fans? And are you one of them? Yes, I am! I love your music! I'm like your #1 fan. I have posters of you all over my room. Get? Does PCB like having it? Only with his assistant! Yes, sir, with all due respect, so get out of here! PCB? 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 Oh, crap. Here we go again. PCB wants some relaxation! So you turn around! I'm telling this conductor in the next morning that this is going to be known as the PZ train. Because PZB wants to be mentioned. Now I'm going to sleep. The next morning, when we all arrive in Ocaboco, attention everyone, the conductor wants everyone to be awake. Ow. We will be arriving at Ocaboco shortly. Can someone wake up PZ? I'll do it. Who's trying to wake up me? Oh, Mr. PZ, sir. I will wake up myself. Now where's some ginger ale? It's pronounced ginger ale? I don't care how it's pronounced. Bunny, answer this question for me. Yes, boss. Does PCB like drinking ginger ale? And how does PCB pronounce ginger ale? You say ginger ale, sir, but even though you do say that, and with all due respect, that's not how you pronounce it. Bunny, I need backup here. Well, sorry, but I can't give any backup right now because I'm trying to hang out with my honey. Oh, Bunny, I love you. We gotta get that seat fixed. Good morning, everyone. This is your captain speaking. We will be arriving in Ocaboco shortly. Hey, I have a question, sir. Yes? May I help you, miss? How is the train driving when you're not in the wheelhouse? Oh, I put it on auto drive. That's how special this train is. Oh, okay. Well, great to know. The more you know with LPS2. Oh, well, that's just great. All right. Sir, excuse me, I have a question too. What is it, sir? Because do you have a question on how to get off this train while there's auto drive? Because we would much like you to get off this train. No, I have a different question. Can this be called the PZ train? No, it's already called span operation. Well, now that's just boring. Who wants this train to be called Span Operation? I don't really care what his name is. I. And who wants this to be called? Who wants this to be called PZ Train? Beep 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 beep. I mean, that would be cool, but nah. Span Operation. It actually makes more sense. Why would it be called the PZ Train? Because PZ won't step foot in it, and it'll be the only time PZ will step foot in it. Excuse me, sir. Can I just borrow this? Why? For this. And that way I can do this. He just walked the captain. This now may be known as the PZ Train. Dun dun na 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 na.